Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Art with Aim. Today I am going to decor baby mirror. So before starting, if you have not subscribed my channel, please go for it so you could not miss the upcoming videos. Okay, let's start. For this I got this board, or you can say cake base. Actually you can also use a cardboard. Now take a circular mirror. Now I am going to stick this circular mirror on this board by using the glue gun. Friends, I will tell you the complete method of making mirror or decorating a baby mirror, so you have to see the complete video. Now I'm going to make ears like a cartoonic ear. So for this I used cardboard, simple cardboard. Friends, I also have many more videos on my channel Art with Aim, so you can visit my channel for more beautiful videos. And if you like any of the video, you please don't forget to subscribe and please hit the like button. Okay, now I'm going to use these artificial flowers or plants. You can use any type of flowers for this. To decor mirror, you can use any plants, flowers, anything you want. Red color, yellow color, white color. I'm gonna use these three colors on this mirror. My 3-year-old kid was also there and he was helping me out. He is so much interested in decorating or doing such things which I do. Here I am gonna use a sort of lace or beads, you can say, to make boundaries of ear. I normally use those things which I found at my home. Some remainings, some extra laces, some leftover from my dresses, or some beads like these things. I normally use these things for decoration. here our mirror is finally done. Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe.